Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by powering down and unplugging the system to be safe. Ground yourself so you don't static damage components. Once done, open the case and disconnect the SSD's data and power connectors, then reseat the drive and connectors firmly to ensure solid contact. Try a different SATA port or cable, or move an M2 to another slot. This quickly rules out a failed cable, port, or loose seating so you can focus on firmware or BIOS next. You now boot into BIOS/UEFI to inspect configuration. Many drives are hidden because SATA mode is wrong or NVMe lanes are disabled. Make sure OSI is enabled. Legacy/UEFI boot mode matches the OS, and the M2 slot or NVMe support is enabled. Change one setting at a time and save. If BIOS is old, update it and check the SSD manufacturer's firmware. Outdated firmware can break detection. Once firmware and settings are current, reboot and recheck detection and device lists. You finish by using the operating system's tools to confirm presence. In Windows, open Disk Management and look for uninitialized disks. In Linux, use lsblk or dmesc for clues. Run the SSD maker's diagnostic and secure erase utilities to clear corruption if recognized but faulty. If the drive remains invisible, mount it in another PC or plug it into a USB adapter to determine whether the problem is the drive or your mother.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.